YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be bringing y'all my recent pickup. So as y'all know, I talked to you like in rating my outfits video that I'm trying to get into like archive fashion. I did like number 9, Rick, undercover, historic glamour. I can keep going, but I'm trying to get into that stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump to the video. So I picked up 2 pieces. I got some jeans and then I got a bag. For the bag, I'm gonna need y'all help. So y'all just watch till a little bit later so I can show y'all bag, because I need a little bit of help with the bag. So let's go ahead and get the jeans. So here are the jeans right here. We have these number 9 jeans right there. Here, I'm gonna do like a I'm gonna try them on so I can see what these look like. But I got these number 9 jeans. I got these for $180. The homie, what is it? Number 9 Skulls hooked me up. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. His little selling page. I'm gonna put you on since you hooked me up. So I'm gonna just help y'all out if y'all need me places to get some like number 9, not on Grailed or Depop, because they be taxed, bro. Yes, they be taxing on Grailed Depop. Like I be looking on there all the time. They're taxed. If it's not taxed, it's fake. Grailed needs to like up their authentication system, because that sucks. They be letting fakes pass all the time. But here's the back right there. Got little music. Oh yeah, and also got like music right there too. Music everywhere. And then where is it at? It is right here. Boom, look at that. Infamous number 9. That's so hard. And then there is the little thing right there. Number 9 by number 9. And size is made in Japan. Number 9. Size is 3x32. So I'm gonna show you guys. So a size 3, I don't even know. I'm not even trying to explain it. So I think it's like a size 1 is small, size 2 is medium. I don't know. Y'all, I'm gonna try them on so you can see what these look like, what a size 3 looks like on me. I usually wear a size 30x32. So I'm gonna show you what a size 3x32 look like, just in case any of y'all been wondering. But there's a little infamous line right there. That's a little straight right there. But without further ado, let's go ahead and try these on, show y'all what these look like on person. Oh yeah, also, y'all got the little AWGE film in the background playing for y'all. I know I should promote myself by playing myself, but it is what it is. I just like the vintage type look. That's hard. I do want to get a vintage camera though. Low key, I've been looking. I might cop one. But I need to find one that's MacBook friendly. If y'all know any cameras that are like vintage camcorders that are MacBook friendly, just let me know in the comments. Because I hear a lot of people like, they get a vintage camcorder and then they record and then try to transfer it to their MacBook. And then it just shows up as a picture. So I'm not trying to have that problem, but y'all just let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments. And not no camera that's like $500. No, please around like 200, 100, 300 pushing it, but I'll probably do that. But I'm gonna just catch y'all. Bro, these are so hard. I know you can't even see these, but thank you. Number 9 Skulls, if you're watching this video, thank you, bro. Cause you hooked me up for real. But there, I know y'all can't see it, but it's part of the aesthetic, that all dark aesthetic. But y'all see the little strap right there. It's not much to it. There's some black with some little gray right there. I really do like them. They hard. My first number 9 piece. Got the black hats on. Y'all can't even see them. But yeah, this is a really hard fit. I could really flick up in this and it'll still go hard. But yes. Oh yeah, y'all see my chrome hearts case right there? Yes, sir. The bitty. Then you see all the dog toys in the back. Like you got a little ghetto setup right there. But here's the fit. They fit really kind of slim. I am sagging these, like I'm really sagging them, but they fit kind of slim. I definitely probably need to go another size up next time, probably like a size 4 or something, or a 5. But they really do look fire when you sag them though. I'm not even gonna cap. They look really good when you sag them. So I think I did get the right size. But I'm gonna catch y'all back on the other camera. So let me know in the comments what y'all think about them jeans. I really do like them. They feel really good. I do. Got to throw on a belt. I can't even throw on my BB belt, to be honest. It'll still look fine. But let me go ahead and show y'all the second item, which I'm going to need your help on. So I just got this. Hold on, let me buckle it. I just gave it away. So I just got this bag right here. As you can see, it is the Alyx Tanger bag. I do not know if this is like real or fake. I got it for what was it? $275 is gonna be the final price, but I paid like $137 a day because that's like half of $225. 137.50. Before y'all start correcting me, but I don't know. This might be fake, low key. I need y'all help. As y'all know, I do not buy fake stuff, but I'm trying to get like to this archive fashion, this Alyx, all that brick and all that. So I just need y'all help because I'm not like tapped into that industry yet. Once I like start buying more and more and more, feeling more, going to the stores, all that good stuff, I'll be able to tell like you're wearing fake Jordans, I can tell like off the bat. But I'm not really that good at authenticating Alyx and all that type of stuff, that fashion type stuff. But here it is right here. I'm gonna get y'all a close up so y'all can really see. There's the buckle right there. I really don't know because my homie that sold me these jeans, he was like, I don't know, man, that bag might be fake. It doesn't even have a tag, so I think it is fake. But y'all just let me know before I pay the other amount if I know I need to get a refund or not. But y'all just let me know because I'm really not trying to buy this, pay $275 for a fake bag. But y'all just let me know because it is fire. I do like it, but cannot wear fake stuff. That just make me look bad because all them shoes I paid like $2,000 resale for. Now if I wear this fake, they gonna think everything else is fake. So can't do that. Hold on, can y'all see if I wear this? Can y'all see if I try it on? Let me see. Hold on. Put this on. See, it is like I wore this I wore this today. I put like all my books and like computer in there to make sure like it fits. Hold on, I'm gonna have to move the camera down a little bit. Okay, so look, hold on, let me scoot over. Wait, oh, wrong way. So here it is right here. Got the Alyx bag, if y'all can hear me. And then here's the front right here. Got the little infamous buckles. These are hard. I really do like the bag, but it would be a shame if it was fake though. And we got the number 9 on. Yes, bro, this video goes so hard, bro. But I don't know if it's fake or not. That's the thing. But my parents be like, why you spend all this money on these clothes? They just look like some regular jeans. No, they're number 9 jeans. No, it's an Alyx bag. You're not seeing the points. You're not seeing it all the way through. You're not seeing the bigger picture. But this bag is super small. If y'all wanted to use this for school, man, you guys are better have. I could fit my computer, a folder, a book, and a notebook. That's it. I could barely fit a water bottle up in there. But y'all gonna have to like downsize a lot if you want to wear this bag for school. Unless you get like the jumbo one. Now the jumbo one, yes, you probably could because I think that's like 1,200. But I know y'all not trying to drop that on the bag for real. But these are my 2 pickups. Y'all please, hold on, I'm gonna put the camera back up. But y'all please let me know in the comments, like if y'all know anything about like Alyx, number 9, like all that archive stuff, please let me know in the comments if this is real or fake. I need your help because I'm really not trying to walk around here with a fake bag. If it's fake, just let me know. My feelings are not gonna be hurt. I just need like help, for real. But my homie did tell me it's fake, or he said it doesn't look right. But he said, at the same time he said, I don't know. But I just need like more people like to tell me that really like are experienced in this type of clothing area. But if y'all have any like advice to give me, or any like suggestions or anything to look out for when buying like expensive pieces like Rick and stuff, please let me know because I am going to start getting to like Chrome Hearts, Rick, more underground, undercover, number 9, Alyx. Like I'm like getting into all that. But y'all just please give me any tips, suggestions that y'all have. Just slide in my DMs on Instagram so y'all can just like let me know for real because I don't know if this is like real or fake. I'm gonna give y'all a close up so y'all can see. Then that'll be the end of the video. So here is the buckle. Let me zoom in right there. Hold on. There is, boom. There's the buckle right there. Hold on. There it is. And then here is the Alyx. Can y'all see that? Alyx. And then this is the inside tag right there. That is the inside tag. Then the inside was the red flag to me. Like I didn't even know, but I did not see like any tag in the inside. Like there is no tag to be found. And then there's like an A right there. I don't know if that's supposed to be. Hold on, the camera's falling. Oh my gosh. Look, I don't know if that's supposed to be like an A or what. But and then it says Alyx on the other side. I don't know. Y'all just let me know, please. And then here, I'm gonna show y'all the other. Oops, but look, there is the other buckle right there. I don't know if it's really fake. Please just let me know in the comments. That is the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more videos. Today, I just hit 1K subs. Let's go. 10K subs are on the way. Y'all just stay tuned for more content. Keep leaving likes, showing support. It just keeps me motivated overall. I love y'all. Thank you for 1K. I was about to say 10K, but 10K on the way though. But thank y'all for 1K. I love y'all, and I'm catch y'all in the next video. Peace.